Welcome to computer classes. I am Tapan sir of Deepal School going to teach about computer hardware components of class 7th into peripheral devices. What is peripheral device? Peripheral devices are the devices that support or complete a computer system along with CPU. Types of peripheral devices: input device, output device, secondary memory devices. So means a full computer system can assemble by taking assembly line, taking that is your peripheral devices along with the CPU. Then you will discuss one by what is input device and what are the examples of input device, then what is output device and what is secondary memory. What is input device? Input devices are used to send instruction and data to the computer for processing. Types of input devices: keyboard, mouse, light pen, scanner, webcam. Now we'll discuss one by one input devices. Number one is keyboard. So what is the function of keyboard? It is mostly used input device which helps to enter data into the system. When any key is pressed on the keyboard, it directly passes to the CPU for the further processing. There are four types of keys present in the keyboard. One is numeric keys, alphanumeric keys, and function keys, and special symbol keys. Listen, students, in this keyboard it may become the question about the short note about the keyboard. Sometimes the question will come what the different types of keys are present in the keyboard. Sometimes the question will come what is the use of keyboard in the computer system. So all these questions are coming in this page. Then you come to the mouse. It is popularly known as pointing device. It is connected to the CPU. A mechanical mouse consists of a roller and a button on which the upper part rolls. A optical mouse has a light source at the base to detect the position of the cursor. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons and a scroller. It moves on the soft rubber base called the rubber pad. With the mouse movement, a point arrow moves on the screen. So these are the 7 points about the mouse. There are 2 types of mouse: are mechanical mouse and optical mouse. And these all are the pointing device, and these are used for pointing some location on the screen. Then you come to the cordless keyboard and mouse. A wireless keyboard or mouse are used to computer, tablets or laptops. They run on radio frequency, infrared and Bluetooth technology. Remember students, here one question comes, that is what is cordless mouse or cordless keyboard. This is the definition, this is the short note about that. Sometimes the question will come about this what are the technologies are used in cordless keyboard or mouse, and these are radio frequency, infrared and Bluetooth. You have to write these answers. Then light pen. It is a pointing device which has a pen-like structure. Inside the light pen there is a photosensor which detects the lights. The pen is placed on the screen on the monitor that sends a light signal to the photosensor which transmits equivalent signal to the CPU. It has to draw picture directly on the screen. The light pen is used in CAD, that is computer aided design. So this is about the short note, these 5 points about the short notes about the light pen. The next, scanner. It is an input device which allows the user to take an image or text or photographs for the source. The image can be saved for the further processing. There are 3 functions of the scanner: either scanner or copy and email. Then you come to the webcam. Webcam are most common video capturing devices connected to the computer or computer network, often using USB ports. So mostly the webcams are used and connected to the USB port of the computer system, which is present in the system box. A webcam generally includes a lens, an image sensor, and some electronic computer through which image can captured in the system. So in this line, maybe one question may comes like what are the components are present in a webcam? A lens, a image sensor, and electronic component. The third point is there are used for video chatting over internet, real time communication for any whoever in the world, and security purposes. The next is their full forms. What are the things I taught here? These are the full forms are coming. Number 1 is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Number 2, CAD, Computer Aided Design. Number 3, USB, Universal Serial Bus. Number 4, RF, that is radio frequency. Number 5, MHz, megahertz. Number 6, gigahertz. Then email, electronic mail.